I am delighted that the CED will be organizing its 6th annual conference on the very timely theme of futuristic trends in education. In the past years, through its various activities, CED has done pioneering and path-breaking work on keeping educators at the forefront of developments in new pedagogies, the science of learning, and emerging technologies. A few years back, it drew attention to the importance of artificial intelligence and its importance for both learners and teachers. In keeping with that philosophy and with the explosive growth of quantum computing and related quantum technologies, the CED is proactive in preparing our youth to be ready for being well equipped for the much needed quantum workforce. My best wishes for a huge success of the event.